for brush. Now let's go and make some art. Drawn paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Artie. Artie. Time to wake up. Artie. 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 Hello.
Greetings, little artists.
Today, Artie, we're going to draw something really unusual. Are you ready to go and get your materials, your marker pens and your paper?
Why did Artie just depart? He's supposed to be here, making art.
I wonder what Artie is going to draw today.
Today, we're going to draw a light bulb. Is that okay?
Okay, yeah.
Well, let's begin. Let's draw a skinny S shape on the left side of the page. A wavy S. Very good. Now we're going to do exactly the same on the right side of the page, but opposite way round. That's great, Artie. Yes, you are doing a great job. Connect the two together at the bottom with a slight curve, and then do 3 little half circles on the left side, and 3 little half circles on the right side, and connect the 2 bottom ones together, and connect the other ones together as well. 1, 2. Then do an upside down half circle at the bottom. That's looking really good, Artie. Now let's do one eye at the top in the gap. We'll just draw a small circle to fill that gap in. And then we'll do the other eye to the left, just coming from behind that eye and stop at the light bulb. 2 little black circles make the eyes complete. Actually, let's put some eyelashes on as well, just to make the light bulb look really cute. That's a cute little light bulb.
Artie is really on a roll today.
He is on a roll, Betty. Time for the mouth. Let's do a smiley mouth that goes really up at the end. And complete the mouth with a line at the bottom, going right up to that top point. And let's do a tongue inside the mouth. Always fill the inside of the mouth black, so it looks like an empty hole. If you colour in outside the lines, it doesn't matter. It's art. We can do whatever we want in art.
Oh, that's right.
Joke break. Okay, let's have a joke break.
Why did the art student hand in an empty sheet of paper? He drew a blank.
Oh dear, Mikey. Okay, Artie, back to work.
Yeah, okay.
Now let's do some little light bulb arms. Let's do a hand at the end. Haha, that's a really funny hand, Artie. Now the left arm. Very cute. He looks like he's saying, "What? You want me to light up the room?" Let's do the legs now. I love the legs. I wonder what kind of shoes you're going to do. I love it. That's a perfect shoe for a little light bulb. This is looking great.
Can you believe how high we are on this counter? I can see my box from here.
You are pretty high up there, Mikey. Artie's drawing 4 little rectangles, and they give the illusion that the little light bulb is made from glass and that that's a reflection. It's a good trick that we use a lot in art. If something's really shiny, draw the 4 little rectangles as if it's a window being reflected in the glass. Oh, Artie, I love what you're doing here. These are little beams of light shining out from the light bulb, lighting up the whole room. Six beams of light. You've finished. I think you did a fantastic job, Artie. You've made a very cute little light bulb. Should we colour him in?
Yeah.
Are you finished, Artie?
Yay! Ready! Yeah.
I love your drawing, Artie. I love how you made the metal part at the bottom yellow and the beams of light bright yellow as well.
Hey, bye, kids. See you later.
Bye, kids. See you later.
Well, little artists, I hope you enjoyed the show today. You should try to draw a light bulb too. Well, we have to say goodbye for now, but have an arty day. Bye-bye.
Wow, wow.